Welcome to the fundamentals of data science. In this lesson, we will explore essential concepts that form the backbone of data science and its applications. Data science is an interdisciplinary field that combines statistics, computer science, and domain knowledge. Its primary goal is to extract valuable insights from data, driving innovation and informed decision-making. The key components of data science include data collection, data cleaning, and analysis. Each step is crucial for generating accurate insights. Data collection techniques are essential for gathering quality data. Methods like surveys and web scraping help in collecting valuable information for analysis. Data cleaning is a critical step in the data science process. It involves removing errors and standardizing formats to ensure accurate and consistent analysis. This quote by Clive Humby encapsulates the value of data in today's world. Understanding its importance is fundamental to mastering data science. Analysis techniques like statistical analysis and machine learning are vital for extracting insights. They help in understanding data distributions and identifying patterns. In conclusion, understanding the fundamentals of data science is crucial. In our next lesson, we will explore practical applications of these concepts in real-world scenarios.